Okay.
So today we're gonna perform a PM in the Alaris 8015. The Alaris 8015 is the PC that controls 4 infusion pumps at the same time. For the purpose of this annual preventive maintenance, we're gonna use a laptop with the software. We're gonna use a link cable that will be attached to the software to the 8015. We're gonna need also 2 infusion pumps and the electrical safety analyzer. The cable link is going to the USB port on the laptop, and there is a communication port on the rear of the 8015, and this is where it goes. This is the first step, even before turning on the software. So now it's time for us to turn the 8015 on and then turn the software by double clicking the icon on the screen. The software will open and it will identify the PC. So this is our PC. It's connected to the communication port 1. Well, when you click that PC unit 8015, we have a list of tasks. We're going to perform today the preventive maintenance. And this is a list of tasks for the preventive maintenance. So we're going to start, and everything that we're going to do to this unit is going to be on the screen. So we read and continue to the next step, one after the other one. The first one is, of course, a visual inspection. Make sure that everything looks good. This is the display test. We're gonna go so it passed. It changed color as it's supposed to. Now the IUI connector. So the IUI is a interface. It's a communication interface between the PC and the 2 infusion pumps. To perform this test, we have to sandwich the 8015 between 2 infusion pumps. We're gonna do one in here. I'm going to do the other one in here, clip it, and once the 2 infusion pumps are active, channel A, channel B, then we are ready to see if the 8015 can see that, and it passed. Now we're going to test the alarm, and it passed. This is the keypad test. We have to make sure that every key on the front keypad is working. So we're gonna press one at a time. And we have another a switch. There is a tamper switch. It's on the back of the unit. We're gonna press that one too. It's right here. Hold it for about 5 seconds until it beeps. And now everything should show green. If something is not working, it's gonna remain black. Okay, the ground leakage test. To perform this test, we're gonna have to connect the power. Now we have 2 electrical safety tests. The power cord should be connected to the electrical safety analyzer, and the safety analyzer to the wall outlet.
Go.
Now we start, we connect the electrical safety analyzer to the ground point on the unit, and we set the electrical safety analyzer to read the ground leakage. So we're gonna be using normal and reverse testing. The reading is supposed to show less than 100 milliamp. So this is a normal, and in reverse still 70. So this electrical safety analyzer passed. So we hit next, it passed, and now we're gonna perform the ground resistance test, which is supposed to read less than 0.20 ohms. To do that, we switch to the ohms resistance, and we have 0.7. 0.07. That is less than 0.20, and it passed. The last step is to select the date for the next PM. This unit have the option to remind you that it's due for PM 12 months from now. You can change it to before 12 months, but 12 months is the maximum amount of time allowed for a PM. At this point, everything passed.